Hey guys, it's me Brian of Mortar and Pestle, and today, gagawa tayo ng garlic shrimp pizza. Very cheesy with a creamy white sauce, full of flavors with garlic and butter, and the juicy umami-rich shrimp topping. Dagdagan mo pa ng tabasco sriracha, ay talaga naman. Sobrang solid pang merienda, kaya naman tara, gawa na tayo.
Mortar and Pastry.
Para sa ating pizza dough, sa isang bowl, combine 1 and 3/4 cups of bread flour, half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon yeast. Haluin, then add 3/4 cup water and 1 tablespoon ng oil. Mix it well gamit ang wooden spoon until mamoisten lahat ng flour. Transfer on a well-floured surface at masahin around 10 to 15 minutes until maging elastic. This dough is very soft and sticky, kaya pwede kayong gumamit ng extra 1/4 cup ng bread flour sa pagmasa. Once done, lipat natin sa bowl, greased with oil para hindi dumikit. Cover with cling film at pahasahin until doubled in size. Para sa shrimp topping naman, meron tayo ditong 500 grams ng peeled shrimp. Season lang natin ng konting salt and paprika. Sa isang kawali, melt 1/4 stick ng butter at mag-isa tayo ng maraming minced garlic. Add the shrimps at lutuin lang natin quickly, then set aside. On the same pan, melt tayo ulit ng half stick ng butter and saute minced garlic. Once aromatic, add 5 tablespoons of flour. Haluin ng mabuti until wala ng lumps of flour, then add 2 cups ng milk. Continue cooking and stir continuously until lumapot ng konti. Lightly season with salt and set aside to cool. Once ready na yung dough, transfer natin sa 12 inches na pizza pan with flour sa ilalim para hindi dumikit after baking. After that, spread the roux or yung white sauce na ginawa natin kanina. Naglagay lang ako dito ng extra mozzarella cheese. Then, pwede na nating ilagay yung shrimps sa ibabaw. Lastly, top natin with more shredded cheese. 3 cheese pizza topping ang gamit ko dito. Combination of mozzarella, gouda, and red cheddar. Then, pwede na nating i-bake sa preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes or until maging golden. Palamigin ng konti before slicing, and that's it. Enjoy your homemade cheesy garlic shrimp pizza.